In this video, we're going to show you how to install your new Tuff Tether onto either your aftermarket ball cap or aftermarket bubble cap for your Puffco Peak Pro or Puffco Peak. First step is you're going to want to remove any cap that you have currently installed on your chamber, and remove the chamber itself for installation. Flip the chamber upside down and install the larger loop onto the bottom of the chamber. Once it's installed, reinstall the chamber into your Puffco Peak and realign your tether. Now take your bubble cap and slide it through the smaller loop, using the adjustment rings to apply tension to your different size cap. And now let's move on to training your tether, which is a simple process but does take a little bit of trial and error. All you have to do is pinch the body of the tether and then test to see if your cap is where you want it. If it's not, straighten it out, give it a different kind of pinch, and repeat until your tether sits exactly where you want it to. Whether that be directly on the chamber or slightly above it, there's really no right or wrong with this. It's all a matter of what you want and what you need to give you the best experience out of your rig. And that's all we have for you today. I hope this video helped clear a few things up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.